Welcome back to our channel Release on Netflix. Let's start the picture now. Emily Lily Collins is not an ordinary love triangle towards the finish of the principal period of Emily in Paris. Similarly, a sturdy neighbor Gabriel Lucas Bravo is set to leave Paris to open his cafe Normandy. Emily surrenders to the emotions they have both had for quite a long time yet overlooked because of his sweetheart Camille Razat. However, on account of a little minute ago momentary assistance, Gabriel would now be able to have his cafe in the City of Lights, so he is not going anyplace else. Does Emily end up with Gabriel? After hearing the news, the gourmet expert's ex-Camille messages her companion Emily would be able to talk. All arrangement maker Darren Star would prod about what she needs to discuss is that it's a central issue for season 2. So we should trust that Netflix restores the arrangement. Here Star separates the vital connections in Emily's day-to-day existence in the primary season. I truly don't believe she's someone who is yet over out to sell a companionship, which is Camille, and makes an exceptionally confounded circumstance for her. I think she's unquestionably can't deny her affections for Gabriel. They have followed up on them, yet it was more kind of a farewell second for them and simply believing that both of them would have this second chance together. However, it wasn't something she truly thought would have been in her future. She spent the whole season cautiously abstaining from venturing. She was conscious of Gabriel's relationship with Camille and not having any desire to go there. We don't know what Camille knows and what she doesn't, or we don't have a clue what even Gabriel is thinking. It is extremely open-ended. Emily is someone who is truly guided by a solid feeling of dedication to her companions, yet clearly they have an exceptionally energetic association. She and Gabriel. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and update. The large they or won't coordinate in Emily in Paris was between promoting Chief Emily and her neighbor Gabriel. During the initial we may not scenes of the show, the pair were developing nearer with Emily in an event kissing him in his eatery. But at this May, she before long discovered how he had a sweetheart called Camille Razat, which puts their sentimental relationship to sleep. After the pair separated, Emily and Gabriel wind up sharing an evening of enthusiasm in the season finale. Thinking he would have been going to Normandy, it was even uncovered that Emily's pleasure he was remaining in Paris. Be that as it may, exactly we all appear to be solid for the pair. Camille informed her to request an unfavorable talk. Presently heading into season 2, maker Darren Star has spotted that there will be a dramatization on the cards for the pair. And not the very last bit of it is solid for the couple as indicated by Emily's star Lily Collins. When gotten some information about the eventual fate of their relationship, Collins brought up how Emily truly doesn't have any desire to hurt Camille. The second period of the show has not yet been established by Netflix, however fans are confident it will be back. Accordingly, watchers will simply need to sit back and watch what is next for the pair when it returns. Thank you for watching the video till the end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.